Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. We are in for a treat today, my friends. Can you guess what this is? Look at this dirty garbage can on the outside. It's all black and tinged. Can you see up in there? Let's get you real close right here. I was just changing the garbage and I thought, oh, that just looks so disgusting. So I went in with a Lysol wipe and it didn't really do that much. And I thought to myself, well, let me try my hydrogen peroxide. I went in there, it was okay in a microfiber towel. Then I went in with the pink stuff, which I love. Not the right composition for what you want to use on something like this. A little bit too messy. And I thought, let me just go with Old Faithful here with some shaving cream. I want to show you how well this works. You see all the darkness here on the side of this trash can. And then I thought, well, let's get a little bit more creative. I have all of these used dryer sheets. I love cleaning with dryer sheets because they have a little grit on them. Also because there's just a tiny bit of fabric softener left on them. It makes it smell delicious and helps lift things even better. So let me just show you how well this works. So if you have patio furniture, outdoor furniture, a table, anything that's all filthy and disgusting like this, a little goes a long way, my friend. That was probably way too much. Let me go ahead and set you up on my tripod. Okay, I think I got you in there pretty well, so let's just go ahead. Watch how easily this comes up right here. Right, woo-wee, my friend, woo-wee. I'm just gonna take a wet washcloth now and wipe that down. Looking good. Oh, and it smells so fresh and delicious. I can see a few spots right here. There we go. Looking like brand spanking new. Way better. Try just using a plain cloth. That did not work, but the shaving cream cut it like nobody's business. Just go ahead and put this right back in here. If you want to know a clever pantyhose trick when it comes to your garbage can, click the video on screen now. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.